Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I know this is a weird shot, but I'll show this better in just a second. But today's top tip is actually a happy accident. I cannot believe this happened. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to move this little guy out of the way for a second and show you this other one. So about 2 years ago, maybe longer than that, it was when we were in our cottage, I found these storage containers at our local Dollar General, and they are super cool containers. I'm going to empty it and show you the whole thing in a second. But when I found them, you guys fell in love with them and wanted to buy them up. And you would go to Dollar General and tell me you couldn't find them. And I know now they don't have them anymore because I've looked and looked. But they're awesome. They're kind of this plastic, this wicker. You see how sturdy they are? Well, look at the dirt in there. As I'm redoing my house, I'm getting several things from Amazon to do it with. And I was searching the other day, and guess what came up in my suggested purchases? These guys. I was like, are you kidding me? They're on Amazon. So it was a happy accident, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you loved these when I showed them. So let me show you what I put in them. This one is one I keep to my left-hand side of my filming station, and it has my punches. It holds these. It holds these amazing. Did you see how easy that was? Now these guys have fallen because I took my punches out, but normally they stand up over here, and I have pens and markers and things, and they just stand to this side of my punches. In here, I keep my pokey tools and my embossing tools and my bone folder, but look, I've used them for so long. They're so disgusting down there, all the ink and stuff. In the front, I keep fussy cutting scissors. I keep some magnets handy, little art glitter glue, some tweezers, and this is a YouTube situation for me. I keep some fingernail clippers so I can film on demand. So look at this. These guys just slide just like this. Perfect in here. Let me pick all my pens and stuff up in the back. Move all those out of the way. Okay, so these guys just slide in here perfect, just like this. If you had more of these, this is a great storage solution. They stand up nice and tall. I can see the 3 different color handles. They're perfect. When I put those in there like that, let me put those in the right way, these will now stand up in that hole. See? So I kind of create myself another little space there. This is the large one. Let me show you the smaller one. And I'm going to take the stuff out of the smaller one. So I keep rulers in the back. I'm going to lay those down here. Those are all my rulers. This one sits to my right-hand side of my filming station. I keep my fingernail file, which I use for chipboard mini albums. This was actually one Shannon gave me. Pen blade. Another pokey tool that I like. This is a Cricut tool. And sometimes I use it, but I mostly use it for weeding vinyl. I have a mini... a mono eraser in here. I have a mini mister, this little post-it note, a rubber band got found in there. He's not supposed to be there. And then I have this beautiful lipstick that was gifted to me by Melinda, and I love it. It's actually called Sangria, and it's gorgeous. And if you're a filmer and you sometimes need to touch up your lipstick, you have it close. So this one, let me take it out. This is what they look like on the side. Isn't this cute? It's very sturdy, very strong. And what I'm going to tell you is, the ones I found on Amazon look to be exactly these same ones, but they're more expensive than I paid, I have to be honest. This one is by Gen-C Home Solutions. It's not the same company, but it is the same setup, so you'll be able to purchase them there. I'm going to put an affiliate link below. It is an affiliate link. I found these on Amazon, like I said, when I was shopping on accident. I was like, are you kidding me? All these years, you guys have been asking me. Anytime I do a room tour, these guys are one of the first questions I get is, where did you get those little storage? Because they're perfect for our things. Oh, let me show you this. These, even if you get these skinny ones like this, these even stand up in here. They're a little tighter, so what I do is I squeeze them and put them in. I don't love them as much in here because they're harder for me to get out because I have to squeeze them to get them out, but it's still not the worst. They still fit in there pretty good. But having them in my larger one, I can just sit them in there and it makes things a lot easier. So, happy accident, top tip. These guys are great if you're interested. There's a link in the description below so you can see the ones that I got. And I'm probably going to be ordering some more because I think we need them all over the shop now that I found them. So there you go. This size, also this size. And by the way, when you start looking at these, just start looking at the suggested stuff that they show you. If there's a solution you're looking for in your craft room, you'll probably find it in there in Amazon on all these little plastic storage things. Okay, hope you enjoyed that tip. I know it's kind of a strange one, but this is one you guys ask me about all the time. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.